Is this shit real? I contemplate about how I feel. But you make it way too hard.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where we do things the right way, which is the Bray way, and I'm Bray, and today we're doing another Amazon wig review. It's a 13 by 4 150% density body wave wig. Yeah, you already know the link will be in the description, so you might as well go ahead and look at it. Give you a second, go ahead and look at it. All right, you see it's down there. Okay, so that's what we're doing today. I ain't opening it yet. Wait for y'all. So let's go ahead and open this thing. Okay, so got a purple bag. It's always nice. Let's put that down here. It's always nice that it come in the bag, so we can put it right back in the bag. Dang, I can't open the bag. It's all tied up. Let me see. Oh, okay. I got a bag tied up. It's secured. Okay, secure. Now let's open it. Okay, let's see what kind of goodies we get. Wig cap. That's always good. Put it down there. And this is the wig. Got some purple on it. Put it down there. Let's go ahead and open it down. Okay, so it comes with a lacy band. Little lacy band. I'm not going to use it. And okay, it's giving. Already giving. Oh, it's tangled up. Yeah, I'm home for the summer now, so that's why I'm in a different setting. Yeah. Bear with me. Bear with me. I'm trying to get this net off here. Hold on, wait. Let's smell it. It got like a, it smells like shampoo. That's what it smells like. So yeah, it's giving. It's giving. Okay. All right. It's giving. Oh, let me come close so y'all can see this lace. Alright, now I'm gonna bleach this thing. And how many combs? Hold on, wait, it's tangled up. Y'all, let me get right. What's wrong? Okay, it's 1, 2, 3, 4 combs in that thing. 4 combs. And you can adjust it in the back. And it got a little piece of lace in the back. But you know, the back of your head, whatnot. But yeah, y'all, this is like my first body wave wig ever. So I'm gonna see. Yeah, it just smell. It kind of smells like sugar wafers, but it smells good. Like, it's a smell, but it's like a shampoo smell. Yeah. I don't know if I'm just hungry, but it smells like sugar wafers to me. Yeah. So far so good. It's soft. It's giving. Like, it's giving. Okay, but we're gonna make sure this thing gives scalp. I'm gonna pluck it, everything like I always do, and I'm gonna come back and let y'all know what's going on. But as far as I can see, these knots look real little. Like, these some tiny knots. This might be a good wig. I'm talking about this might be. This is a good wig. Period. I don't know what kind of part I'm gonna do. Middle side. I'm gonna see. But y'all, it is giving. Don't, if y'all can hear everybody in the house, don't mind it. Okay? Don't mind it. So I'm y'all, I might end up flexing riding this here too. I don't know. I'm gonna see y'all, because I'm gonna have to wash it and stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and bleach these knots, put it on, and let y'all know what's going on, because so far this is what giving is giving. Let me stop singing. Oh, y'all saw that? This is a good wig. Hold up, I'm tangling her up again. Let's get these spangles running through it. Oh, straight through. Straight through. Yeah, I might flex it right to get a little more curve, but y'all, it's giving. Y'all better go get it. Hold on, wait, I'm gonna finish the review first, then I'm gonna say go get it. But so far so good. So far, so good. But y'all, it's shake, shake, shake. Okay, let me stop. But y'all, that's what I'm gonna go do. I'm gonna go bleach it and everything and put it on, and then I'm gonna come back and give y'all a review. So yeah.
One eternity later.
So as y'all can see, this is another banger. Like, come on, like it's really giving. I flexi rotted it after I washed it and bleached and everything, cause yeah, it need a little bounce. But yeah, it's really giving. This is some good hair. It's a 13x4 lace front wig, 150% density, and it's 22 inches. And it's giving. I had it up so I could remember everything. But this is it. I'm put a link in the description box. Y'all already know. But it was easy to bleach, and this unit, it had like really small knots, so it's like it was easy to plug and even easier to bleach. Like, come on out. It's giving, like, oh my gosh. But yeah, I really love this hair. Remember, I'd say it had smelled like sugar wafers. It had smelled like medicine. That's what it had smelled like. I thought about it. It smelled like medicine, but I washed that out, of course, and everything. And it's giving, like, I flexi rotted this hair, kept them in for like a couple of, maybe about 2 hours, because I was doing other things. Then I blow dry it, and it's giving, like, I love it. It's cute. It's soft. It's bouncy. And it's just giving, like, you can see that it's giving. You know that it's giving. It's really giving. Y'all, it's giving out. Come on. But yeah. What else? Yeah, I just love this hair. I love it. All the wigs I received so far, and this is a good one too. It's a good one too. Don't mind it. Don't mind it. But yeah, this is a good wig too. Like, just look at it. Just look at it. Like, come on, y'all loving it. Go ahead and buy it, cause y'all already loving it. So go ahead and buy it, cause y'all sitting there loving it, just like how I'm loving it. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba, McDonald's, we loving it. But yeah, it's a great wig. 5 out of 5 stars. It's great. And it's, come on, 22 inches. Just a nice little length. It's summer and it's hot. So yeah, go ahead and get you one. Go ahead. What you waiting for? But yeah, that's all. Make sure you guys subscribe and become a DaBraeWay. Like, become a DaBraeWay. Why you don't want to be a DaBraeWay? Go ahead and subscribe. Well, nah, for real. Subscribe, like, and comment. And I'm going to see y'all in the next video.